Hello, welcome to Arduino Education. At Arduino Education, we aim to make complex technologies easy to use and accessible to everyone. But we know that giving the technology is not enough. We also want to support learners through their journey by providing relevant cross-curriculum STEAM programs, hardware, software, training, and support. We want to make sure that everyone keeps learning, teaching, and having fun while staying at home, safe and healthy. This is why we're starting with a series of training tutorials to support educators, parents, and students. For these training tutorials, we are using the Arduino Starter Kit, as it walks you through the basics of Arduino, programming, and electronics in a hands-on way. It also includes a selection of the most common and useful electronic components and a project book with step-by-step instructions to build 15 projects. Going through the projects will help the students to learn and develop transferable skills such as problem solving, critical thinking, collaboration, communication, among others, which are key to academic and professional success. We will publish online training videos for each of the 15 projects of the Starter Kit. That includes key concept, learning outcomes, a guide through wiring and coding, troubleshooting tips, and also extra challenges to explore further what you can make with Arduino. We also recommend you to attend our live sessions for educators and parents so we can make sure that your students and kids get the best learning experience with Arduino from home. Our training videos offer additional material and we recommend you to use them together with your Starter Kit projects book. You can get your Arduino Starter Kit in 9 different languages. Also, if you, your students, or your children are interested in officially certifying their knowledge in Arduino, electronics, and physical computing, we recommend you to purchase the Fundamentals bundle that includes the Starter Kit and one attempt at the Fundamentals exam. But if you already have the Starter Kit, you can only purchase the Fundamentals exam alone. We are here for you, and we would like to know if there's something you would like us to add to our training sessions. Please leave your comments and questions on our Q&A form in our website. Thank you and see you soon.